Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Grover. So let's get started. Hello everybody, this is Grover. Grover is lovable and furry. Taking a bath keeps Grover's fur nice and clean. Grover is flexible. He makes the letter G for Grover. Look! What is up in the sky? It is Super Grover. Super Grover is brave and strong. Grover does not have to be a superhero to be helpful. He helps at the restaurant, but sometimes mixes up the orders. He helps Elmo bake cookies. And he even helps deliver the mail to all his friends. Am I not awesome and adorable? The end. Bye.